You not ready?
Yeah.
Today we are going to do a little roast breadfruit challenge. The roast breadfruit with butter. You not ready for that? Remember the other day I do and I mash up like I know nothing, everybody are big for more. Alright, so understand now, you ready for the roast breadfruit challenge?
Yes.
Roast breadfruit, butter.
Yes.
You don't sound like someone that eat, just mash it up. For nothing at all. Alright, but I'm going to make it interesting, right? Anybody who finish first, I go get this. What that? And a ball. Anyway, it won't like it, not true?
Yes.
Alright, so anybody who finish first, that's on the prize. And it's an original Jamaican product. So it's ready. Alright, see there? A steam that I fly from you know. Well hot you know. Alright, see there? Good old butter.
Yes.
Alright. And the butter done. I'm done with the butter. Alright, that's where I go. Making a video. Alright, so see there, no jar no plate Johnny. Jar no plate. We will tell you when to start. 3, 2, 1, go. Watch your man them dash all them fork and start it with their hand. Yeah, remember saying no boss, you know if you swallow you know, things I just put in a mouth. If you don't eat that. Johnny, you reach late my youth. Next trip. Zane, next one. Alright? Alright. Who get the most? No, that's how you go. You haven't done that. What you mean? Yo, next one Ajani. Next one me put in there. Alright. No, it's about mini might. Yeah, lose man. Oh, you don't get no most. It only get the same amount, but your mouth only big. You can't eat no food, man. Watch out, look at the stuff you have in your mouth. Hardly can't get in your face, my youth. Things say you tough, you're not tough. What you say, Maggot? Do it again. Lad. Big old buttermark on your neck. Yo. Alright, Mini, me see it, Mini. Me see it. Hold them, Mini. Hold them. Hold them. Watch your man, mouth, man. Adrian, you see them? Nah, man, the man a beat him and I see man a wipe up all the butter while left in the plate. Oh, you mean? Mini. What to you? You have a stretch? You done? Nah, man, it's a piece of in them and what you talk about, what that? Mini, boy, good try, but better luck next time. You go on that thing, but...
Champion is a big old deal.
What's happened to you?
The champion.
You say a champion? Alright, hold on, me give you a prize now. Alright, boss, see your prize. Eh? Good old cheese balls. Yo, no man, you have to turn it around, man. Turn it around, make everybody see how I go on. So you ready to eat it? Joke can't make a mini want some.
Wait, eat that first. I'm going to show my food.
Yeah, Johnny, I laugh off on it.
Yeah, man, slow pork for sure. Oh, yes, my champion.
Yeah, Johnny, I tease the mini. You hear that? Johnny? So next one we're there now, you have to make sure you win enough. You say you come second?
Yeah.
But second and last. Because only two only in
Oh,
it.
they're supposed to both for a piece and give me. These are it. First thing about all mad. One piece. No, no chips.
You say I want to win. Yes, you lose. Remember when you're there? I'm even winning. Watch it. Wow.
Let's see. Come swear it. Real champion.
Alright, so me have to open the phone, you know, Joe?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Johnny, you know what? Come put some. You see it, even though you lose.
Yes, you did.
Yo, be serious after this day I look fine. Where I do lick off everything off your finger. Eh? You know, could I just wash your hand, my youth? Alright, so this is an NI challenge, not true? You like it? What do you like about it?
I'm me win.
Butter and bread.
I'm like both the chief. like both the chief when we win.
Oi, you feel lucky, say, he can give you some. And that may I tell you. Alright, so, what want to say? Next one?
Yes.
You know right now we are going to do it.
Yeah.
One next day. Well, me I said day, but it's night time. So, some other time. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.